Hey! Welcome back to our new video. Today in this video we will talk about 9 tips for digital marketing strategies in 2021. The digital marketing landscape faces frequent changes, making it almost impossible to pinpoint what the future holds. However, the paradigm shift that the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has caused in the business world has left many marketers and agencies anticipating and predicting digital marketing strategies in 2021 to stay ahead of the curve. So far, 2020 has seen more businesses move their products and services online and employees working remotely. Consequently, the ongoing pandemic will see companies invest more in digital marketing strategies to leverage the shifting business environment. What's more, employees will continue to work remotely, or at least in a hybrid setting, in 2021. So what are the key digital marketing trends to consider in 2021? Well, you need to engage and retain your current customers and generate more online traffic and leads to increase your sales and revenue. Below are 9 trends to consider. Increased use of social media to engage and retain. Prepare to dedicate more marketing resources to social media strategies in 2021. During Q2 of 2020, social media marketing budgets accounted for nearly 24% of the total marketing budgets in the US, up from 13% in 2019. In 2020, marketers increasingly made customer retention and lead generation a top priority, which will continue well into 2021. 2020 saw more people increase their time online, including how they researched products, brands. The consumer shift created new opportunities for marketers to use inbound digital marketing to reach new audiences and re-engage longtime ones. You can develop a content plan, make regular posts and updates, monitor and drive customer responses. The rise of micro-influencers. Influencers are people who have built and demand a commendable social following by producing quality, engaging content. They can be Instagram stars, YouTube celebrities, or Facebook and Twitter influencers. Influencers are often relatable, and their followers trust them. Therefore, the opinions they convey can influence their target audience's behaviors, a trait that most brands want. When you leverage an influencer's position, you can connect with customers, build brand awareness, and promote your content and products. In 2021, brands will increasingly turn to micro-influencers as they explore incorporating influencer marketing into their digital marketing mix. Interactive marketing content. Providing interactive elements to your website and social media platforms is a great way to retain visitors, offer them value, increase their engagement with your brand and content, and learn more about them. For instance, realtors can add a mortgage calculator to their website that offers great value to visitors and increase their engagement. It also allows you, the realtor, to learn more about your visitors based on the data they key into the calculators. You can then use the information collected to refine your personas and offer targeting. Video content. Cisco's annual Internet Report, 2018 to 2023, predicts that video content will amount to 82% of all internet traffic, which is a marketer's goldmine. HubSpot also reports that 54% of consumers prefer more video content from brands. Therefore, in 2021, it's essential to use various video content formats that fit your brand, niche, and industry and optimize them throughout the customer's journey. Ensure that you brand all your videos properly to portray your brand and values. Increased use of Google listings and local SEO. If you manage or own a business, the best thing you can do to increase walk-in customers in your online presence is to verify and keep current on your local listings on the various search platforms. For B2C businesses that rely primarily on local customers, like a car dealership or dental office, online listing services like Google My Business are invaluable. These services offer information such as your services and service hours. Mobile inbound marketing. Mobile is an integral part of consumers' daily lives, and more people are consuming online content on their devices. Mobile marketing produces instantaneous results and has a huge viral potential. As a result, brands will continue optimizing their content and websites for mobile devices in 2021. Personalizing content for the consumer. Content personalization is now a useful marketing tool, thanks to the increased online traffic in 2020. It helps you build effective sales email campaigns, educate your audience, drive new and repeat business to your website, and achieve other goals in the digital realm. However, personalization in 2021 will go beyond customizing email messages. It will include artificial intelligence, AI, input to make data analysis more effective and efficient to allow hyper-personalization. AI solutions can help you select the perfect email template for the target individual and craft content that fits their needs. It will also enable you to make better content decisions in the future. Therefore, invest in AI-driven software and use hyper-personalization to target customers based on their past activity and browsing history in 2021. It will skyrocket their customer experience. Chatbots and AI will supplement content creation and delivery. AI and chatbots will enhance content creation and delivery strategies and become inextricable parts of the global user experience. AI will fuel the content creation process through the supply of relevant data, source information, references, and the provision of authority to the content your marketers write. Optimizing content strategy for voice search. Voice search is presently not a part of Google's search algorithm, the largest and most popular search engine globally. However, it still dictates search results. Marketers expect voice search to become more popular due to several factors like the increased use of mobile digital personal assistants like the Siri app. Therefore, it's pertinent to be on your toes with voice search components for consumers who adapt and switch over to the medium. Optimize your online content for voice and make it direct and conversational to leverage and accurately sync with search queries. From banners to big data, digital marketing has continuously adapted to meet the needs of customers and brands alike. Today, with increased connectivity and established digital infrastructure, changes are happening much faster. When the traditional digital marketing landscape of paid media, SEO, content marketing, social media, community management, and more, are experiencing dramatic developments. With an estimated $46 billion going towards programmatic advertising in 2018, it's predicted that 86% of all digital display ads will be presented via automation by 2020. This shift towards AI automation provides a more seamless, efficient, and accurate approach to paid media, while simultaneously lowering customer acquisition costs. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.